So my name, Matt, full name Matthew Kryton. At the moment, currently, will work full time as a lorry driver, but also interested in property as well. Do a business with my brother. We've done service accommodation, we've done deal sourcing, and now we're actually getting into BRR up north. So yeah, we've got a few things going on.
Great. How long have you been doing property for?
I've actually been on the academy a year with my brother, so actually coming towards the end of my first year now. Looking to rejoin as well because it's just too good. But no, I've enjoyed the whole year, the whole process so far.
And what have you done in that year?
So we've sold a few deals, made some money through that. We've had a couple, like we've used Deal Connect to have a couple of refunds, so we've experienced it all. And now we're investing up north, raise finance through like investors we know quite well, through family. And we're just now getting into the BRR side because we're thinking more long-term, like wealth and stuff. So that's what we're doing at the moment.
What would you say to someone who's looking to get into property?
Someone who's looking to get into property, I'd say you've got to do it. It's one of the best, asset classes to have. That's, how I think about asset classes, but also it's fun. Depending on when you find what you want to do, it could be deal sourcing, working with investors, BRRs, commercials. There's so many different things to do. Everyone just thinks it's houses, but once you find what you want to do, it could be good fun. And also you can, create long-term wealth and better life for yourself and for your family.
And tell me about the team and Samuel.
Oh, they're fantastic. I mean, Samuel's very energetic and he's always up for it. So you feed off that. And you've got also his other team. They're always very helpful. So it's just the family it's like a family environment, I would say. And everyone just wants to help everybody. There's no negativity around the place. So that's one of the main things about the academy, I'd say.